another $8 million fund, and they have rising. So what you need to do in order to join in this airdrop, you need to come into the Telegram. So there is like a lot of company invested in this crypto company. So anyhow, I don't want to waste your time, so here is a short video that will show you how you can join step by step in this airdrop. So first, come into Telegram. If you don't have found the Telegram, where is Telegram link is, so Telegram link you will get found in the description box of this video. So come into this Telegram link, and here is these offers resistance link is here, and going through here, and here is he choose a couple of product that I have, like he choose you know he choose anything. So click try. So click on this register. So I'm showing you, and that link will bring you inside of here. So here is just a do scroll, and here you will find the try beta whitehead hackers challenge or Testnet. So click on the try beta, and here is what you need to do. Just paste your name, email, Telegram ID, etc, etc. So here is my name is this on, and email is this, and Telegram is my Telegram is this, and message is that I show you. I want to join beta testnet, okay, and done. So here is I showed you. So this on, I want to join beta testnet. So maybe I need to remove this done button and click this I'm not a robot, and immediately here is you need to capture this on in order to doing efficiently. So click this next, and here is sorry, this on maybe enter over and over again stairs, where I found stairs. So verify cars. It's take a little bit time for me, I don't know. If it is do problem, okay, so if it is do problem, so here is pass. So if it is do problem, do over and over again, okay, even like I'm doing. I'm not time wasting here. Click on this verify. So here is maybe it will be work now. Click on this next, and maybe it will not be work. So yeah, now it is work. Click on this submit, and your work has been done. Okay, welcome to Open Ledgers. Great to have you on board to complete your process of getting website for the confirmed by. Okay, this is it. See you later the next time. Until that, happy hunting.